Hello dear traders, this is Petko Alexandrov, and in this lecture I will talk about the over-optimized strategies. So if you have watched already the free course for Expert Advisor Studio, you know already that the generator works over the historical data that we import from our broker, right? It's from one day to another. We get the information of each candlestick, of each bar, for the opening, for the closing, the high and the low. These four values bring us the historical data and they form the whole period where the generator works. And on the right side you see an example strategy that was generated earlier. So this is a decent strategy, nice equity line. Now what is the over-optimized strategy? This is a strategy that might be fit to this period exactly, okay, to the period of the historical data, and the parameters inside the strategy, the parameters of the indicators, they might be fit to this period of time, okay? And normally what happens with over-optimized strategies, when we place them on the chart, they start to lose, okay? One more time, the parameters of the indicators, they are fit exactly for this period of time to have a profitable strategy. Now, if I run quickly the generator with euro dollar on H1 without acceptance criteria strategy properties, as I normally run from 10 to 100 pips, I will just click on start to see a couple of strategies into the collection, and you can see there are different strategies, right? And from just looking at these strategies, it's really hard to say which one will be robust enough to be traded on a live account or to be tested on a demo account. That's why there are different robustness tools available in Expert Advisor Studio. If I click on any of the strategies, you can see here we have the optimizer, which is not, of course, robustness tool. The walk forward is the Monte Carlo, the multi-market. The out of sample is very interesting as well, and I will cover it in this course. So one more time, when we generate strategies, there is the risk that some of the strategies are over optimized, which one more time means that each indicator, the parameters of the indicators, they might be fit exactly for this period of time, from this date until this date, and this is why we see a nice strategy. Okay, this one I took randomly, but I mean, if I select any other strategy, this one for example, a nice balance chart going upwards. And in the next lectures I will show you how to check if a strategy is over optimized or not. Of course, with my experience, most of the strategies generated with Expert Advisor Studio are not over optimized, but I always check for over optimization and I use the robustness tools to make sure that the strategies are not over optimized. Alright, this is the over optimization, and in the next videos I will teach you how to recognize it and how to avoid it. Cheers!